Yeah, you're welcome to episode 5, and it will be about graced harmony. We've already learned to harmonize the right hand, so we are going to be gracing that harmonized right hand. We'll be doing something like this. So, what did I do? Instead of going to me directly while harmonizing here, I did something like this. You understand? My fourth finger on my number 1 and on my number 4, 1, 4. Okay, instead of doing that, I did. Can you see that? Re, mi, do, do. Ignore this is just harmonizing. Then I could have done anyone. So or T can harmonize Re because So and T are both parts of the left hand chord. Or you can just do use both of them, anyone, or you strip it. Now, do you see that? Do re mi re